Hey, what is up, traders? This is Gluzman here with 7 Points Capital, bringing to you today's trader takeaways. So this is actually the second time I'm recording this video. So round two, let's do this one more time. I made a mistake the first video. So the biggest trade for me for the day was EROS. If we're looking at a daily chart, we have a slightly different setup from what I normally look at. Something like RBZ, where we have a gap above support and then fade back down. This is more of a downtrend on a daily and a gap within the downtrend. So we're kind of betting against it, in favor of the big trend. So out of the gate, I gave it a little bit of wiggle room just to see kind of what the tape looks like, and the tape was pretty weak. Started shorting it, covering into the washes, and then there would be a pretty big buyer that came in the dark pools. So I was testing a lot of liquidity, seeing if he's there, if he's not there. If he was there, I would trim. So I gave back a little bit here, just kind of testing liquidity, seeing if the buyer is still there or not. When the buyer stops buying, that's when the stock stalls out, and that's when I get in with full size. And I'm able to get in really nice size because the quote was, the book was really thick, and I just covered into big washes. So that was a pretty straightforward, solid downtrend, covered into a level, which was yesterday's close, and that's it. The trade is done for me. Let's see, the next one was IEA. This one was really difficult yesterday. I didn't trade this very well yesterday. Took a pretty big loss, larger than usual, I would say. Not that big, but larger than usual loss. Didn't trade this very well today. I was watching this level right here, holding 265, 266. Just got in with a stop above 270 and just kind of let it go as far as it wants to go, but it just did not want to go too far. Let's pull up the executions. So got in here, trimmed most of it. It's starting to go sideways. The volume's is drying up, so I'm trimming and I'm just getting out as it's starting an uptrend. So that's a small winner. And the next one was RBZ. So I've traded this one in the past. This one likes to squeeze mainly due to the small float. So I was waiting for the squeeze to happen, to kind of weather the storm, and then to start a feeler, and if it works, to add. So that's exactly what I did. Started in, I wanted to add here, but I was opening a few positions and I just missed it. Although I did hit it, the bid just dropped without me. So I was adding here and I was just trimming into any washouts, and just left it alone. This consolidation probably goes lower, but I got the predictable move. Let's see the next one, and that's pretty much it. I traded a EMD, but I chased it a bit with small size, and I just got out because it wasn't really, my time stop hit, so to speak. It wasn't doing anything for a while, so I just took it off. And that's pretty much it. I did trade Disney on the short side, but that was with options. I was shorting 143 calls here, and I covered on a big volume bar, which is this one. So I pretty much got the bottom on this candle. Traded some Amazon options, and that's pretty much it. So the MVP of the day is EROS. Really nice one. Easy to pick a direction and easy to size in. So those are the type of stocks that I really enjoy trading. And also on a daily chart, obviously it's going down. So so that's it. It's 12 o'clock right now. Maybe we'll trade the close, but for now I'm flat. And thank you guys for watching. If you have questions, you can tweet at me at @YorkanaTrader, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.